जो व्हायरल व्हिडिओ जाल्लो तेन्ना वी वर व्हेरी क्लियर असले टुरिस्ट अनरुली बिहेवियर आमकां नाका हू आर ट्रायंग टू आउटरेज अ मॉडेस्टी ऑफ अ विमेन. आमी पर्यटन फुडें व्हरता आसतना वी हॅव टू हॅव रिस्पॉन्सिबल टुरिस्ट आनी ताजे खातीर बेस्ड ऑन अ व्हायरल व्हिडिओ वी put a complaint. I should commend and compliment and congratulate the PI of Kalangut, Paresh Naik and his entire team, along with his DYSP Karpe, I think who have immediately worked and ensured that action is taken under the new SP Bab Madkaikar. The entire police team has done a good job of ensuring that he is booked, he is taken into custody. I think whatever action, whichever stringent as per law is required, should be taken on this to create one example की गोंय सरकार हे लायटली घेवचे ना असले इश्यूज इन्सिडंट जावंक जायना फुडें पूण ह्या इन्सिडंटांतल्यान एक एक्झाम्पल तयार करपाक जाय. बट आय थिंक द पुलीस हॅव डन अ गुड जॉब बेस्ड ऑन द कंप्लेन रेज्ड बाय द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टुरिझम. I was personally monitoring it and I'm happy with the action taken by the Goa police.